folks. This here is old Polecat Mahoney, and I am delighted to take you into the famous Calico mine, the richest gold strike this side of the Mississippi.
Howdy, y'all. We're glad to have you in the mine today. Keep a lookout, no hanging out about it.
Well, look at this, folks. These bubbling, boiling pots sure may look pretty, but many a poor miner's gone and dug his pick right down into old Mother Earth, only to have a blast of steaming hot mud erupt in his face. It ain't exactly the kind of warm welcome you want. Up over yonder, you can see our lifts and mining cages, the quickest way to reach every level of the mine. And take a look to the right up over here. Yes, sir, folks. That's the world famous Calico mine in Boysen, the site of one of the richest gold strikes in all of recorded history. Now we're heading over an underground lake at the mouth of this here river. When we're not paying for gold flakes here in the water, we're fishing for those flying fish you see down there. They ain't never seen the light of day.
Now, y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get blasted to kingdom come.
And we're getting to the 3,000 foot level, and our square pit too. This type of modern house makes almost deeper than possible. Sure is dark up here. Say, driver, how about a little bit more light? Would you look at that? You know, all it takes is one tiny drop of water and about 1,000,000 years to make all these stalagmites on the floor and stalactites on the ceiling. Well, look at that. Old seldom seen Slim's done struck you some gold. Drinks on you, Slim. back-breaking work digging up all that gold ore with a few measly old picks and shovels and rock hammers. Now that's what I call teamwork. They don't call a man's best friend for nothing, especially when there's gold at stake. Let's all think light thoughts up on this here trestle bridge. Keep your hands and arms inside the cars now. Ain't fallen off this mountain since 1880. Never mind that. Let's just hope she's got one more train load in her. Up ahead there is a new part of the mine. That means progress. And progress means blasting. Look out, folks. We're headed straight to the dynamite. This chapter's caving in. Let her rip, boy.
Stop that train! I've set the charges! It's too late! They're ready to move!
That was a close one. Looks like we all made it out just in time, thanks to this here engineer's dynamite driving. Y'all get along now. I got work to do. And if you got any claims to stake down there at the assayer's office, tell 'em old Polecat Mahoney sent you.